guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together my insert cards. This is my happy, well, I'm going to show you how to put together my happy spring one. But let me just show you these. These are really cool because they are actually set up to fold like this. And when you set them up and you stand them upright, they stand up beautifully. They all come out with a little pocket with an insert card. This is where you would write your message. But they're cool because they tri-fold like this. So you can mail them flat and then you fold them like this and they stand up straight, which is really cool. Here is this one. Once it's standing up, it looks like that. And here's another Valentine's Day one. But pretty cool, right? So I'm going to show you how to put together the Happy Spring insert. And I just want to show you how I layer some of the things. You'll notice this quite often in a lot of my cards. I try really hard to layer things so it's really easy to put together, so you're not putting together like teeny tiny little eyes. So with this bird one, I'm using stick glue. Just going to place a little bit of glue on that, and we're going to layer first the orange because the beak is behind, and then a little bit of glue, and put the yellow on top. And then I'm going to actually glue the wing just like that and place it so that it kind of goes over that black area. So everything is nicely placed and you can see where it's supposed to go. I've done that here. I've already put together this one. You can see. I just want to show you how I place these. They're pretty simple. You're just gluing the stems in the back and then centering these little flowers. But they're pretty simple. So one of your cards is going to be like this and one of them like this, and then you have a little bird. Okay, folding. So first I'm going to fold the pocket. We're going to fold it in just like that, and I would usually glue it at this point. I like hot glue for this particular thing just because it holds really nicely. Just like that. Okay, and then with this, I usually fold it like this because this is how it's going to fold when it stands up, right? And then, of course, you can fold it the other way when you mail it. Okay, so this piece goes on the front. Just center it. Just like that. And then this piece on the back. And then this piece is going to go on the center of the pocket right here. And on this particular one, I'm going to put a chick on it. And then I've got some slimmer pieces here, and they just highlight these folds. If you're going to bother making something three-dimensional, might as well let everybody see that it is, in fact, three-dimensional. Okay, the final thing you have is an insert card. Now, you can glue this in if you want, but I kind of like that it is a cute little pocket, and they can take this card out and you could put other cool scrapbooky things in there, like tickets, gift cards, money, and that way you have the pocket, you have the availability of the insert if you want it, but you could do other things with it as well. So there's your card, and standing up, it is so cute. And if you fold it like this, you could fold it like this, or if you wanted this to be your front, you could fold it like this. So you have a lot of different options here because it is really a tri-fold with these extra little folds in it. All right, that is all I have for you today. Check these out in my silhouette shop and make sure and subscribe to my channel so you can get more great tutorials.